Mr. Seagull 3973 and Thompson Rostowski 1189 were the first to comment on my previous video featuring John Commerce, and they, as expected, are thirsting for more John Commerce. But today John Commerce will be joined by James Mathematics, so they can use their combined power to explain parabolas and partial derivatives. Let's start with parabolas. Parabolas are curves which are used in mathematics and are generally U-shaped. Watch out for hyperbolas, which are shaped like two James Mathematics.
Oh my god, bro.
Hell no, man. Mathematically, they're defined as a curve with every point on them equidistant from a fixed point called the focus, and a straight line called the directrix. Now let's move on to partial derivatives. Partial derivatives are a much more complicated mathematical concept. Imagine them as a burger shop like McDonald's for you mildly overweight 24-piece McNugget and French fried vowels. You're the manager, and the amount of sales you get depends on the price of the burger X and the heat of the grill Y. Keeping prices low and efficiency high means you'll be able to deliver more burgers to more broke school kids. For starters, a derivative is the rate of change. Partial derivatives are when you adjust only one thing at a time. If you change, say, X and increase the price of a burger, you'll attract less broke kids relying on their parents' money, and you'll get more sales. You'll get less sales. That's the partial derivative with respect to X. Inversely, if you do so for Y, the increased heat of the burger grill should mean you cook more burgers quicker, delivering record high sales levels and obesity levels in your area, assuming you don't overcook them. That's the partial derivative with respect to Y. Now let's look at the formula for the burgers restaurant sales. The curly D you see in both of them means the derivative, which is the rate of change. In part 2, John Commerce and James Mathematics will explain some examples of the partial derivative, for those interested in learning more. Alright, Mr. Seagull 3973 and Thompson Rostowski 1189, that's parabolas and partial derivatives explained. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.